Hello everyone, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to import a project file into DaVinci Resolve. And specifically, we're talking about DaVinci Resolve version 17. So we open up our version of Resolve. We can see our database window where we have all of our different project files, project folders, etc. Now, it might be tempting to try and import the file here, and that would certainly make a lot of sense. But unfortunately, it doesn't work. Even if you can find your DRP file, DRP being the project type, the file type for DaVinci projects, and try and drag it into your database space, it will not import it, unfortunately. So what we have to do instead is we have to create a new project. So you click on the new project button, just like you would for creating any new project, type in a name, and then wait for DaVinci Resolve to open up. Once it does, you should recognize this is your basic DaVinci Resolve screen, and you can try and drag and drop the project file into the media space, and again, that's not going to work. What you have to do is go to the File menu, click Import Project, find your file, double click on it. You get asked if you want to save the existing project file, and you click No. And then that will open up your DaVinci Resolve project, and here we go. This one was created in Studio rather than the free version. That's why you've got the overlays. Now you'll notice there's a bit of a problem here. We don't have our media automatically linked. Resolve doesn't know where that media is. So what we have to try and do is relink these clips. And in the media page, select all of those clips and right click on them. Then we select relink media, select the folder where our media clips are stored, and then we are done. And as you can see, all of our media clips are now linked in our project file, and it works just the way it should. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you'd like to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.